Here we have a McCulloch Model 73. This is a mid to late 50s McCulloch. This is the first generation of the one-man gear drive saws with the diaphragm carburetor. And this one here is put together the way it is with a 28-inch bar is about 42 pounds. It's a great big old saw. It's 120 cc's. Saw's in really good shape. I changed the ignition to the electronic chip. It originally, here's where your points were. Did away with those and changed it to the electronic chip. It's number 4 chain. It's Oregon chain. There's the original bar. The big McCulloch emblem etched into it. Really like this side cover with that hockey mask. Here's the oiler. It's got a manual oiler. Here's your primer. There's no choke. This is to rich and lean it. You dial this back and forth to rich and lean it while you're running it. Down there is your carburetor. This is your idle screw to adjust your idle. Up in there is your mixture screws. There's the plunger for that oiler. This is like a pre-screen. There's another air filter that's up inside of there. There's your carburetor down there. This is your on and off for your fuel. This is your on and off switch for your ignition. This just grounds out when you push it in. There's your spark plug and everything down in there. It's got full wrap handlebar. There's a big old muffler with nothing inside, and sounds good. That's your gearbox. There's a sight glass for your gear oil. There's your fill. Then here's your bar and chain oil. It's got a big old fallen spike on it. Right hand starter. Haven't made any cuts with this yet. I just got the chain. Had to take 2 chains and put them together. And I'm gonna sharpen it a little bit, but I think we'll make a cut with this next week. I actually bought 2 of these saws at one time from Rich Dugan, the chainsaw guy in Oregon, and you can find him here on YouTube. He no longer sells saws on eBay, but I bought quite a few saws from him over the years. And this one, I bought this saw and another saw with it, and took the 2 to make a good one. But he sells new saws, used saws, bars, chains, everything. Anything, give him a call. I've bought quite a few saws from him over the years, so definitely somebody you can trust. And you can find him on here if you look for the chainsaw guy. And you check my other videos, I have his phone number on there also, and you'll see it at the end of this one. So there's a big old Model 73 McCulloch gear saw.